just to bring you up to date on what we've done, we went ahead and we went into hive number 1 and 2. We took 4 frames out of hive 2 for honey production. Hive 1 we've reduced down to a single deep and a deep honey box, just because they weren't using all the frames that were out there. Getting ready to get into hive number 5 now. This way you can see how it goes. We're going to get into the honey box of this one and see just how they're doing. And it looks really good. You can see that they have it drawn out really well. We'll pull a few frames and we'll see if this box is ready to get harvested. That is what you call a full frame of honey. Doesn't that look pretty? Every one of these frames are that way. So we're going to end up pulling this whole box and we'll end up harvesting it. Going to have some weight to it. Oh, yes, it does. Now, in the second honey box, the bees are quite active in it. You can see they're building and drawing it out because these were all empty frames. We have harvested quite a few frames out of this hive. Bees down into the hive. Get out of there. Some people spray these. I just sweep them. Move them into another container. And go from there. I'm going to pack this hive up since I've harvested some honey out of it and let them calm down. So to finish up here on hive number 5, we drew a medium off of the hive and we put another medium back on. That way they still got something to do. The green medium is about, I'd say half full right now, so they got 2 boxes to play with during this honey flow. I'd say we're about halfway through it, and hopefully they'll be able to fill these up and give one for them for the rest of the year, and maybe we'll be able to harvest another one. So that's it from Warden's Farm here at hive number 5. Be safe, have a blessed day. If you like the page, please subscribe and tell your friends about it. That way the word can get out about how Warden's Farm does bee business. Take care and have a blessed day.